So let's start the video. So the first question goes like this. A set square of 60 degree and 30 degree resting on HP with its longer edge measures 60 long, which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. The set square itself is inclined to its surface at 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection of the lamina. So in order to solve this problem, at first we need to draw an XY line. So by choosing the line and choosing the width of 0.13 mm, we need to draw a continuous line, which is the XY line. So this will be the XY line, and we need to indicate the X and Y axis. So this will be X, and this will be Y. So we need to also indicate the HP and VP plane. So this will be VP, and this will be HP. Okay, we have marked the HP and VP plane. So now, in order to draw a set square of 60 degree and 30 degree, we need to choose the line of 60 mm long, which is the longer edge of the set square. So by choosing the line, we need to choose the line type, and it must be darker. So we choose the width of the line as 0.50 mm, and it will be a visible line. Now we choose the length of the longer edge as 60 mm. So we give 60, and we choose the angle as 90 or minus 90. We give enter. So I've got a line of 60 mm, which is the longer side of the set square, and it is in darker line. And now we need to draw a 30 degree and 60 degree at either side of the line. So now we choose the line again. We give the line as darker, which is 0.50 mm, and we give the angle as 30 degree at one side. So we place it here and draw it continuously. So we have got a line of minus 30 degree. So at the other end, we need to give a line of 60 degree. So we choose the line and give the angle as the 60 degree. We place it at the other end and draw it upwards. So yeah, this is how we get, and we shall trim the unwanted line. Yeah, it's perfect. So I've got a set square of 30 degree and 60 degree, which is resting on SP. So now by choosing the line, we shall indicate the projection, which is projecting upwards. So while drawing the projection, we must choose a line which is thin. So that is 0.13 mm. So we shall place at this point and project it upwards. So this thin line indicates the projection of the line. So we choose the line and place it at the other end, and we project it upwards. So yeah, we have got the projection, and we need to mark the points of the set square. So this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. So we have draw the projection of line, and we need to integrate. We need to integrate the projection of the line which is going upwards. So we choose an arrow and indicate that the line is projecting upwards. So by choosing an arrow, yeah, we've got a one arrow, and this will be the second arrow. Yeah, so we have got it, and we need to make the line between these projection darker. So we choose the line again. We shall choose the darker line, which is the 0.50 mm, and shall draw this line from this one point to the other point. Yeah. Now we have got the first projection. Now we shall park it. So at this point it will be A dash of C dash, and this will be the B dash. So yeah, the 20% of the problem is completed. So now we need to incline this AC dash and the BC dash to 60 degree. So how we do is that we should choose the line, or simply we can check the distance between these two lines. So it will be approx 25.9, which is 26. So we can cancel that, and we need to draw a line of 45 degree, which will be darker, and the angle is 45, and the length will be 25.98. So I have to place it exactly on the XY line. So yeah, we have got the line. This is exactly 25.9 or 26. So we shall mark it as A dash and A dash of C dash, and the other point is B dash. So now after the inclination of 45 degree to HP, we shall project that line downwards. So we shall project a line. Just a second. The line must be continuous line, and it should be a thin line, which is the width is 0.13 mm. So we project it downwards, and do the same with the other point. And now we need to project the lines from the set square, which is the C dash to A dash C dash line, like this. And from B dash to B dash, it should be straight. And do the same at A. So yeah, we have got it. Now by choosing the darker line, so the darker line will be 0.50 mm, and we should join all the corners. So this is one, this is the second, and this is the third edge. And we shall trim the unwanted projections. So this will be the unwanted projection. We have trimmed it. So now by using the arrow, we should indicate the projection of the line which is downwards. So yeah, now the 50% of the problem is completed. So now what we have to do is we should take a line which is 30 degree, that is along the HP. So we should take a line which is 30 degree, or we can simply take it as the minus 30, because we are drawing the line which is below the XY line. So we shall place it here, and we shall draw a continuous line. So like this, this will be 30 degree. But the fact is it must be a thinner line. So we shall edit this and make a use of thin line. So the angle will be minus 30 degree, and the style of the line will be continuous line, and the width will be 0.13 mm. So we shall place it on XY line and draw it continuously. So yeah, we have got a line of minus 30 degrees is along HP. Now we have to select this and so now we have to construct this A, B, C set square on this line. So we shall select this. We shall select this and we shall make the use of move. Just a second. We shall make use of move. We shall select this and we shall drag it over here. So yeah, now we shall make this corners darker. So by choosing 0.50 mm, shall place it this and shall connect all the corners. So yeah. So now we need to complete the reconstruction of the set square. So now by using the rotate, first we need to select this. Now by using the rotate option, we shall select the lines which we need to rotate. So it is C and A, and we shall rotate it like this. So I've got it, and we shall trim the unwanted shape. So yeah, now we shall mark the points, which is this is C, and this is A, and this will be B. Now we shall project the line upwards. So we'll make a use of thin line. The line will be 0.13 mm again, and we shall place it at C and project it upwards like this. Same goes with B, and same goes with A. Now we shall project the line from this line, which is at B dash. So yeah, we need to stop the projection at B, and now we need to trim the unwanted line. So by using the trim, we shall trim the unwanted line. So yeah, and now by using the darker line, which is 0.50 mm, and we shall place it at C and join all the corners. And now by using the arrow, we shall indicate the projection of line. So yeah, this will be the third arrow. This is projecting upwards. And now we shall mark the corners of the true shape. So this will be C, and this will be B, and this will be A. So now we have completed this problem, and we have got the final two shape, which is A, B, and C over here. So we have drawn the